hope you're well. Today I'd like to share an unboxing video of Shell with its sophisticated and simple design. It attracts support from a wide range of people, not just the F1 crowd. Shell bags are totaled of 29 stores in Japan and overseas, with sales of 13.3 billion yen for the fiscal year ending June 30, 2021. Demand for cosmetic surgeries in 2020 as people are forced to wear masks due to the COVID disaster. The entire industry was hit by headwinds, but even so, sales for the field from March to December 2008 were over 115% higher than the same field last year. In the cosmetics industry, crowded with giant manufacturers, why these are independent brands achieve such normal goals? What are your opinions? If you like, please write them in the comment section. The driving force behind the strong performance is the more than 15 types of relevant products.